Hello, good evening. Welcome to Mathematical Adda, and we are covering our chapter which is trigonometrical ratio. And now we are on this question. So let's read the question. The question states that if sine theta is equals to 3 divided by 5 and theta is acute angle, find cos theta and tan theta. So first we have to find the values, find all the three values, which is height, base and hypotenuse. So as sine theta is given to us, as 3 divided by 5. So the formula of sine theta is height divided by hypotenuse. Height divided by hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras, we will state that let the values be x. Now the height of the sine in the which is used in the sine theta is 3x and hypotenuse is 5x. So now we can say that now we can find the base by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. So now hypotenuse is 5x, which will be whole squared, is equals to height is 3x, which will be whole squared, plus b will remain same as we have to find its value. Now 5 is 25x square. This 9 square as 3, the square of 3 is 9, so this will be transferred this side for further calculation and it will become of the negative sign. Now 25x square minus 9x square is 16x square, which is equals to b square, which is base square. Now if both the values are rooted, then it will become 4x. Now we have found the value of our base of the triangle. So now we will find cos theta and tan theta. So first is cos theta, which has the formula of base divided by hypotenuse. So base of our triangle is 4x, just we have found, and hypotenuse of our triangle is 5x. X and x will get cancelled and we will find our value of cos theta as 4 divided by 5. Now the second is tan theta. So the formula of tan theta is height divided by base. So height of our triangle is 3x and base of our triangle is 4x. Now x and x will get cancelled and we will get the value of tan theta as 3 divided by 4. Now we are moving to our next question. As we have completed this question, now we are moving to the next question. So this is our next question, which states that if tan theta is equals to 5 divided by 12 and theta is acute angle, find sine theta and cos theta. So now the value which is given to us in tan theta is 5 divided by 12. Now let the values be x. Now tan theta has the formula of height divided by base. So height divided by base, the height of our triangle will become 5x and base of our triangle will become 12x. Now we will find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Now height is 5x whole square plus 12x whole square. Now hypotenuse square will be 25x square plus 144 x square. Now this hypotenuse square, the values will get added up and it will become 169 x square. Now both the values will be rooted, so it will become hypotenuse as 13x. So we have found our hypotenuse. Now we will find sine theta and cos theta. So sine theta has the formula of height divided by hypotenuse. Now height of our triangle is 5x and hypotenuse of our triangle is 13x. X and x will get cancelled and we will get the value of sine theta as 5 divided by 13. Now the second is cos theta. So cos theta has the formula which is base divided by hypotenuse. Now base of our triangle is 12x and hypotenuse of our triangle is 13x. Now x and x will get cancelled and we will get our value of cos theta as 12 divided by 13. So we have found the values of this question. Now we are moving to our next question. So we are on the third question, which states that if sine theta is equals to 6 divided by 10 and theta is acute angle, find cos theta plus tan theta. So first, the thing which is given in the question is sine theta is equals to 6 divided by 10. So we will first simplify this. Now we have got the fraction. So now we will let the values as x. So our height, as the formula of sine theta is height divided by hypotenuse, so height will become 3x and hypotenuse will become 5x. So by the Pythagoras theorem, this will become hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is 5x, which will be whole squared, and height is 3x, which will be whole squared, plus base will remain same, squared. So now 5x whole square is 25x square and 3x whole square is 9x square plus b square. So now this 9 will be transferred this side for further calculation and it will become of negative. So it will become 16x square as b square. Now both the values will be rooted, so the square will be removed from it, so it will become 4x as b. Now it is given to us that find cos theta plus tan theta. So first we will find the value of cos theta, which is base divided by hypotenuse. So base of our triangle is 4x and hypotenuse is 5x. X and x will get cancelled and we will get our value of cos theta as 4 divided by 5. Now tan theta. Tan theta has the formula of height divided by base. Now height of the triangle is 3x and base of the triangle is 4x. X and x will get cancelled and we will get the value of tan theta as 3 divided by 4. Now we will add both the values, which will become 4 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Now by the LCM addition, these the denominator will multiply as they are unlike fractions. 4 5s are 20, and by the trick which has been told by me lot of times, we will multiply this by this and this by this for getting the values which will be written in the fraction in the bar. So 4 4s are 16 and 5 3s are 15. So both the values will add up and it will become 31 divided by 20, which we convert into a mixed fraction. So it will become 11 1 whole divided by 20. Now we have found the value of this cos theta plus this question, which is cos theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 whole 11 divided by 20. Now we are moving to our next question. So in the chapter trigonometrical ratios, the 12th question is also similar to the previous question. So now we are skipping that question and we are moving to the 13th question. So this states that if cosec theta is equals to root 5 and theta is acute angle, find cot theta minus cos theta. So first, which is given to us in the question is cosec theta is equals to root 5. Now as there is nothing in the denominator, we can assume that it is 1 in the denominator, and the value and the formula of cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by base, hypotenuse divided by height. So let the values be x. Now hypotenuse, as it is root 5, so it will become x root 5, and height, it will become x only. So by Pythagoras theorem we will find the base. By Pythagoras theorem we will find the base, which is hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is x root 5, which will be whole squared, and h is x square plus b will remain same. Now it will become 5x square, and this x square will be transferred this side for further calculation. Now it will become 4x square is equals to b square. Squares will be removed, and the base of the triangle will become 2x. Now we have found the base of the triangle. Now we will find cot theta minus cos theta. So cot theta is equals to base divided by height. So base divided by height. So the base is 2x, which we have just found, and height is x. So it will become x and x will get cancelled, and the cot theta will become 2 only. Cot theta will become 2 only, and now we will find cos theta. So cos theta has the formula of base divided by hypotenuse. So base we have just now found, so it will become 2x, and hypotenuse is x root 5. X and x will get cancelled, and we have found the value of cos theta, which is 2 divided by root 5. Now we will subtract both the values, which will become 2 minus 2 divided by root 5. Now as these are unlike fractions, because by default it is the denominator 1, so we will consider root 5 as the greater denominator, and we will multiply this by this, so it will become 2 root 5 minus 2. Now you can rationalize, or no rationalizing is required here, so it will become, the 2 will be taken out as common, and it will become root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5. So we have found the value of the question, which is this one. Now we are moving to the next question. So this is our next question, which states that if sine theta is equals to p divided by q, find cos theta plus sine theta in terms of p and q. So in terms of p and q, we have to find sine theta plus cos theta. So sine theta is given to us, which is p divided by q. Now the height is p and hypotenuse is q. So now by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the base, which is hypotenuse square, which is q square, is equals to height square, which is p square, plus this b, which is base. So now q square minus p square is equals to base square, and now if the square is removed, so it will become root q square minus p square. As these are in subtraction, so no removal of square will take place in this. Now root q square minus p square has become the value of b. Now we will find the value of cos theta. So cos theta is height divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta's value is base divided by hypotenuse. So base is root q square minus p square divided by hypotenuse, which is q. And sine theta's value is given to us, which is p divided by q. So now we will add both the values, which is root q square minus p square plus p divided by q, and this is also divided by q. As both the fractions are like fractions, so q will be not altered from its position, only the upper denominators will be added. So it will become p plus root q square minus p square. So we have found the answer to this question, which is p plus root q square minus p square divided by q. So this is the last question, which is states that given A is acute angle and 13 sin A is equals to 5, evaluate 5 sin A minus 2 cos A divided by tan A. So given to the question is 13 sin A is equals to 5A. Now 13 is multiplied by sin A. 13 multiplied by sin A is equals to 5. Now if 13 is sent to the other side, it will become 5 divided by 13, which is height divided by hypotenuse. So let the values be x. Let the values be x. Now height will become 5x and hypotenuse will become 13x. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the base. Hypotenuse is 13x, which will be whole squared, which will equal to height, which is 5x whole square plus base whole square, base square. So 13x whole square is 169 x square, which is equals to 5x square is 25x square plus b square. Now 25 will be sent here for further calculation and it will become 169x square minus 25x square, which will be equal to b square. Now 169x square minus 25x square will become 144x square, which will be equal to b square. Both the values will be rooted and we will find the value of b as 12x. Now we will evaluate this which is given to us. So first we will find the value of sin A, which is height divided by hypotenuse. So height is given to us, which is 5x, and hypotenuse, which is given to us, is 13x. X and x will get cancelled, so it will become 5 divided by 13. Now cos A, sin A's value is given there, so we have not to find. Now cos A is base divided by hypotenuse. So base of the triangle we have just found, which is 12x, and hypotenuse is 13x, which will be cancelled and it will become 12 divided by 13. And tan A is height divided by base. So height of the triangle is 5x and base is 12x. X and x will get cancelled and it will become 5 divided by 12. Now we will find the values. 5 into sin A, substitute the values. 5 into sin A is 5 divided by 13 minus 2 cos A. 2 into 12 divided by 13 divided by tan A, which is 5 divided by 12. So now 5 will be multiplied by 5, so it will become 25 divided by 13 minus 12 will be multiplied by 2, which will become 24 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 12. Now it will become 1 divided by 13 divided by 5 divided by 12. So this fraction will be sent up and it will become the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 1 divided by 13 multiplied by 12 divided by 5. Now it will become 12 divided by 65. So we have found the answer to the question, which is 12 divided by 65. Now thank you for watching my videos and please like and subscribe to our channel to get more exciting videos of the maths and please press the bell icon also.